Yeah, the message who still ever want to stop and listen. Especially like who with the overseas already or who are plan for travel. Doesn't matter where you're there. You see, if you're used to a certain particular life where you're not under no stress and none of them things there, you're going to come overseas, come live your worst life at first. Zine, if you're not wise enough, it's going to be something where it's going to continually happen. If you're not push hard enough and you're not strong mentally, if you pull through, you're going to always a struggle. Please bear in mind, you see, when they're overseas, a lot of people don't understand, especially young people. Them grow up to see a certain particular thing on TV, and in TV and reality are two different things, you see me? So hear this, especially the youth them where have it in mind if you say they want to come find a rich man. And you see, I don't know nobody pocket, but based on my understanding, them thing they done for broker, you see it? Them days they cut out where white woman can take man from Jamaica and come have him in a luxury life. Enough man go through certain things of foreign where they can't talk about it. Believe me when I tell you, they can't talk about it. You see it? You have enough people that can already not clean clothes, but they mad out, they mentally them check out. You see it? Enough people you see on the internet a vent and things. Some people that say, oh, would never talk certain things on the internet, but at the other hand, you have to look on it, some people really are nobody to turn to. Them now no else where to vent more than TikTok or any social media platform. You see me? So the youth them way have it in their mindset for say rare, cause somebody reach out to me the other day and ask me if me can find somebody for them, and me I say, bro, me are bridging over here right now, we look somebody themselves to help them and can't find it. Because I don't know if it's a traditional thing, especially as I mentioned the word Jamaican. Them have if you say, oh, as a man them get through them papers, they ain't gone. Me know enough youth over here right now we come over here, come change people life where already born in a system, born in Canada, born in US, born in any foreign country, because you have a thing on your ambition. You see when you grow in a certain particular environment like we Caribbean people, we know we have more experience what is hard life. Me not gonna say people don't go through hard life in a foreign, but it's more tragic like back home. Especially when you have ambition, you know where you want, you know where you go after. So when you have common sense, you know come in one country where you know so you can make a dollar to better your life back home and come and confirm fool yourself. You see me? So for the youth them when you plan to travel, you just know what you do and wise up and focus. Don't make nobody boots so if you say, yo, me can give you work or run off or do this or do that. I promise is a comfort to a fool. Listen carefully what me as a Zine, because here's the thing about it. Some people see some people life on social media and feel like say everything alright. Me can come and put on a show on social media and as me end the video or whatsoever me I do or my life or whatsoever me be the case, me gonna lock up in my room and cry. Nobody now see that. But people only see the pretty part of the on social media, and that goes for a lot of people. You see me? The youth them who focus on what do, because reality and TV are two different things. When the day you see your face, if you're not strong enough mentally, you will mad. Because I see madman on the road where me have conversation with them. I ask them, man tell me say them come achieve everything you can possibly dream of. If you have as a young youth and a woman making lose everything. Woman, you go for woman just to see them, they help man and man make them lose everything. Walk out pan them and all of them things there. Youth, let me tell you something. You see, not only woman born a foreign have cruel intentions. There are some women out of the Caribbean who come here and develop them habit and them worse than who were already born. I believe me when I tell you. So sometimes you see some Jamaican woman cheat some youth from Jamaica some type of way more, and I feel just shake my head. That's why you can't rush certain things. Bro, let me tell you, don't rush your success. You see, if you see a man live a certain particular life on social media, don't compare your life with him. The race is not for the swift, but who can endure through it. Don't feel like you see a man drive a Benz or rate are the best thing. Brother, when they are foreign, anybody can drive anything. You don't know who work a bank from who do regular job, because everybody look the same. You see, nobody not business with you. When they are say you have a mindset, say, alright, you want better your life, you want to be a better person than where you be yesterday. It's not a competition thing. When I see most of them people here do know where they want to see who drive the biggest car, who do this, who do that, and not say work. Because right now you're there so, and you waste out a couple of years well, you go to Jamaica, you see the people when you left back at Jamaica, then build up house and buy a car, you wonder where they get the money from to do it. Because 95% of people at Jamaica I live better than people where they are foreign. And I say that from my heart, I want me see and the facts me I talk about. Some people over here so they can't miss 1 day's pay, else they're in a debt. You see, so the youth them who know what to do, brother, who wise up, stop up the mentality for one the easy way out. You see it, you're the overseas, you don't rush nothing, you feel like the first person will offer you something is an opportunity, because enough woman and enough man. I'm not going to just blame the woman them alone, because some people love play the one-sided game. I'm not depend on that. I want to see me talk reality. Enough per people help you or tell us that them are going to help you. Them just want to have you fall up in one corner. You see it, you have enough young youth over here in a bondage right now because somebody, them in a certain situation, especially an immigrant or illegal in a country, and somebody promised, alright, me I go help them. Why is it that most women are going to say, alright, me I go help that person, or a man say, me I go help that person, but yet still is like the person, I'm not picking you, I'm not slave, like, you know, me not like them thing there. I mean, I'm going to say certain things can't reach me, but me, always pray for wisdom, knowledge and understanding when me can understand and know when me I get myself in or what me I do. Me not rush nothing. Me not get up and say, oh, me see the dog them more than I doing things so more do the same thing already. I don't say work. Several brothers, several different mind. Puss and dog now have the same look. Stop rushing to success and feel like say, oh, me have to do this or me have to do that and me see that person there work. You know how much people come overseas just with the clothes on them back and just give them a couple years. Me have friends that they over here right now. Them man they over here not even 4 to 5 years good, and them man they buy house already. And me have friends that they are 12, 13 years and them man they I just found paycheck to paycheck them man they live same way because them get caught up in the lifestyle over here and get comfortable. You see, if you go back to Jamaica right now, I ain't have certain amount of money, nobody now look upon you. Because first of all, nobody a yard or two frightened if you foreigner like one time. You see me? So you don't have to focus on no do, brother. No do. Don't feel like say, oh, because you're illegal in one country are the worst and at the end of the world. I know so you work. I mean, explain something to you enough people understand. You see, enough man and enough woman look people to help them take them out of debt also. Because enough man married to some woman and not even know say the woman in a bankruptcy. Zine and man do the same thing to credit card, bill, that they bill. Some man not take the time out to get to know who them and get themselves involved in. Then just think about the opportunity if they get straight. I know say work so somehow they get chopped. You see it? Enough man get chopped in a one situation where I don't know how them will come out of it. I'm gonna be honest to you. I don't know how them will come out because some people in this race, bro, you cannot race your success. You can't raise your success. When you see anything what God do, it's well done. So if you're overseas and you feel like you have got through the worst, trust me, you have people out there got through worst now. It's just that them not talk. Believe me, enough mad people up on the internet daily and you wonder say, how this a people here, how this a person just up on the internet every day so. Them not nobody else to talk to. So what you think them are going to do? Them are going to vent to the internet, you see. So hear me I say, especially to the young youth them, young girl them, anybody we are traveling or plan to travel, have no head for nobody. Don't rush on no success. You see me? Don't really quick to tell people no business also, because here's the thing about it. Somebody will get up and say to you, say, yo, you know say, I want you to do this or I want you to do that. Them are going to encourage you, but you see, as soon as you start do it, them same man will get up and bad mind or start move some funny way around. You see it? People are going to advise you to do better, but them not going to want you, them not going to want to see you do better than them. You see it? So you them I tell you now again, on a humble yourself, brother. Not every opportunity you want to sit in front of is the opportunity, if you understand what I mean by that. And everything on glitter and gold. You see it? And don't make little color frighten or little looks or little long hair. You see it? Trust me, I can tell you that. Don't make them think they frighten. You see it? And you still have decent people out there. Don't make follow social media where people say, oh, I be a this and be a that out there. And when you speak over your life, you attract. You see it? So you have to know what to do. Remember, don't forget, don't let God out and not know what to do. Always pray. Always pray. God always did it for you despite the situation. You see it? You go always test your faith before you get a blessing. I can promise you that I may talk of experience. You have to mentally firm up yourself. Ask him for strength to deal with where you have to deal with. Because nobody feel like success just come sweet so. Bro. Who have ears, listen. You see me?